Hello YouTube, how are you? This video is in English language. अगर आप इसी वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो स्क्रीन के ऊपरी राइट कॉर्नर पर दिए गए पॉप आउट बैनर को क्लिक करें. Are sedans forgotten? Do they make sense today? Are they any better than SUVs of today, which are majorly crossovers? In this video, I will talk about 5 sedan cars that are the best in terms of utility, space, comfort. Not only that, they are classy enough to impress your crush too. We will discuss their engine specifications, pricing, and some USPs. So make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. Before proceeding further, please subscribe to Left Lane Driver channel and hit that bell icon to get notified about each video upload. I would like to start with 5th spot on my list. There are 2 cars and they are the twins, Volkswagen Vento and Skoda Rapid. We are expecting their next generations soon, and here are the details of current generation. They both are available only in petrol engines. The 1-liter TSI motor that produces 110 PS of power and 175 Newton meters of torque. Offered in both manual and automatic transmission, these cars are known to be zippy on the roads, offering really nice in-car feel. Next is the most underrated car in its class, the Toyota Yaris. It is also available only in petrol. Its 1.5-liter 2NR FE series engine produces 107 PS of power and 140 Newton meters of torque. Available in manual and automatic both, its USPs is maximum safety, highest number of airbags, that is 7 airbags, 5-star Asian NCAP rated, and it's Toyota. What else do you ask for? On 3rd spot is another Japanese offering, Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. Available in petrol only, its 1.5-liter engine produces 104 PS of power and 138 Newton meters of torque. Offered with both automatic and manual. Surprisingly, this is a vehicle that is offering just 2 airbags. However, I'm not surprised. European and Japanese sedans are beaten by this Korean sedan, as we know it, the Hyundai Verna. With 2 petrol engines on offering, which produces 115 and 120 PS of power with 115 and 172 Newton meters of torque respectively. Good thing is, it has diesel offering too, which produces 115 PS of power and 250 Newton meters of torque. One of the reasons that there are more of these cars on the road is it's available in both manual and automatic, in both in petrol and diesel variants. Top of the list is another Japanese sedan that made sedans a thing in India, the Honda City. The whole package of Honda City remains unparalleled even today. Let me show you how. It offers the brilliant 1.5-liter iVTEC petrol that churns out a solid 122 PS of power and 145 Newton meters of torque. The diesel avatar called iD-Tech produces 100 PS of power and 200 Newton meters of torque. Offered in both manual transmission and continuous variable transmission, that is automatic. With its futuristic instrument cluster, with futuristic features, comfort that is a benchmark in its class, Honda City is really value for money proposition today. Hit like if your favorite car was one of these. If not, comment which one is. So, with markets flooded with crossover cars with lesser spec and smaller dimensions, will you go for cars which claim to be so called SUVs? Do you think these sedans should be one of your options? Share your opinion in comments below. Also, share which of these would you consider buying. Here are some more videos you might be interested in watching. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy motoring.